So the LG Wing 5G is an Android-based tablet manufactured by LG Electronics. The device features a swivel design where the main display can be rotated to form a T-shape, revealing a smaller secondary display. So it might be the most wide-looking smartphone in 2020, which is saying something given the wide array of phones released this year. But despite that unique design, after spending some time with the actual hardware and software, I suspect that LG might actually be onto something with its approach to the Wing. So it has an even IPP4 water protection plus 64 megapixel main shooter, a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a second 12 megapixel ultra wide camera rotated sideways. The second ultra wide is an action camera that allows you to hold the phone by its bottom half while recording video. And the special selfie camera, it has a 2 megapixel monitorized pop-up. More interesting, however, it is triple camera setup. The screen regular display is a 6.8-inch OLED panel with a full HD resolution and 1080 by 2460 pixels. So there is a regular 60Hz refresh rate and there is no notch, no punch hole, so you get to enjoy the entire display. The LG Wing sports a 5G capable Snapdragon 765G chipset and 8GB of RAM. This is plenty for daily use, especially if you mainly use it for videos, but it should be able to handle most games easily too. The phone has a 4000 mAh battery, and today's day and age, one has to wonder, is this enough to power both screens for a longer period of time? Apps effectively work in two ways on the Wing, either in an extended mode that splits the content of a single app across both displays, or simply by running two apps side by side. These days, phones are either rectangular slabs with one straight screen, or in the case for the Galaxy Z Fold 2 or Motorola Razr 5G, they are slabs with flexible screens that open up. But the LG Wing is neither. Instead, it is a phone with two screens, one of which swivels on top of the other. Yes, it is weird, and yes, it is expensive at $1,000 on Verizon. But the design isn't as crazy or pointless as it seems. But after pushing through the initial learning curve, which does take some time, my experience with multitasking and recording video got a boost thanks to the Wing's unusual shape. I spent time with the reproduction model and found that the LG Wing is a straightforward phone when it is closed. Like I have said earlier, it has a 6.8 display with wireless charging and an in-screen fingerprint reader. The phone only opens in one direction clockwise, so to open it single-handedly, it should be in the right hand. Once the phone's up, you can do a variety of things in a variety of orientations. Multitasking is the most obvious benefit, like watching YouTube while playing your games or something like that. Having two screens to navigate one app is interesting too. With messaging, for instance, I can view a large part of conversation while texting. So it also comes with Android 10. Anyway, let me know what you think about this down in the comments. As you can see, this is a new channel, so please support this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will never miss our videos. As always, I will see you guys tomorrow. Share. Peace out.